some of the weather APIs available. So it's depend on different countries. So we are going to discuss weather API available for US and Canada right now. So some of the APIs are open source, some of them are not. So we will compare both options right now. So weather API, just searching that 5 best weather APIs. Probably most of them are US based. So here a list of weather APIs that's available. Open weather map, WeatherBit, and AccuWeather. So AccuWeather, we all know that AccuWeather they have a very good application Android and uh, iPhone store. So AccuWeather will be a very good one, and they have so many yeah, endpoints: search location, search city, get alerts by location key. There are so many endpoints for them. So we can use that, and popularity is also 9.3 out of 10. So it's very good one. And if I am going for the 2020, I don't know the exact. They have only a few endpoints, three or something. Request by latitude, request by zip code, request by city. So this one is uh, yeah, there is some description also here. So it's also very good. And if I am going with another links, there are a couple of links. There's 16 top weather API, US weather by city, and UK air quality or some of the AccuWeather. So this one also very good. So AccuWeather we have get single cyclone, get single in this list languages, list regions. Okay, there are so many things they have. Only the weather based API endpoints. They have some language, location, city based endpoint also. If we are clicking on some of them, maybe we will get some information about how, we will get an idea about how this endpoint will work. So task sky API, there is one. So it's we are accessing it directly. So try for free. The easiest, most advanced weather API on the network. I don't know. So for that to use, you need to sign up. So they have some right plan also. Only 001 per call. So it's very good, I guess. So if we are going their location or something, I guess they are based on the US. So they will give some advanced weather APIs for accessing the weather. Yahoo Developer Network, and also I guess we have Google based API. Open Weather Map is another one. Probably this one will be good since it is an open source API. Start in 3 simple steps: 16-day weather forecast. So many things are there. Also, some of the libraries, if you need to integrate with some of the libraries, already there are a couple of libraries available. We can go with that. And if we are going to Java, we have some libraries here. They are pointing into the GitLab. So they are migrated to GitLab, but they have something in GitHub also. So that's all about weather API specifically for US. So we all know that Yahoo they have their own API, so we can use that. Or if you need specific one, so if you have specific province or specific state, that also you can do that. So if I am living in Ontario, so there is one uh, Environment Canada data service. I don't know whether they have APIs for that, but if West National Current Verb, Lincoln, Ontario, Canada Historical Weather. I don't know there is any specific API for Canadians. We should have some specific API. So Canada Data Services and API, the Weather Network. The Weather Network, they have specific API for Canadian. So for this to access on-demand content to discuss how you can weather how you can make the weather work for you. Okay, so it's not a straight way to access easily integrated weather into your app. So they have some plans, free plans, 10 calls per minute, 10,000 calls per month. So that's all for the famous APIs for weather. We will discuss further, most specifically for some countries thereafter in couple of videos or something. Thank you for